This is the ELTC and DLTC4 from Super Pro Hydroponics. This unit is a 4-light HID controller. It's housed in a metal enclosure. Very simple to use. The user must supply a main input power. Input power is supplied through a cable connected in 3 points here on the terminal strip. Once that main power is connected, there's a trigger cable. The trigger cable is connected to the other side of the unit. Once that trigger cable is connected to a time clock or another device to activate your lights, the 4 outlets on the front of the unit will activate, allowing power to flow. There's also an additional outlet on the side of the unit. This unit demonstrates a NEMA configuration for North America, but there's other versions available for Europe, UK, and Australia. This unit's rated at 30 amps, 240 volts. It's very easy to use. The DLTC4 from Super Pro Hydroponics.